May I speak now?
You may.
Alastor, pleasure to be meeting you, sweetheart. Quite a pleasure. Excuse my sudden visit. Why, I haven't been that entertained since the stock market crash of 1929. So many orphans. It's the purest kind, my dear. Reality. True passion. After all, the world is a stage, and the stage is a world of entertainment.
Alastor is a character in Hazbin Hotel, also known as the Radio Demon, and is very much loved by many. Ever thought of using Alastor's voice to speak or sing? I'm about to show you how to transform your voice into Alastor's voice in real time. Introducing SoundBot, an AI voice changer. It only takes 3 simple steps to get there. Step 1. Download SoundBot on your PC. You can find the free download link in the video description below. Step 2. Find Alastor in the voice library. Just search Radio Demon here. Step 3. Set up your input and output devices. Select the available microphones and headphones in the settings. Okay, done. Now you can speak into the microphone and your voice will become Alastor's voice in real time.
Don't worry, my friend. I can make this more welcoming.
You can upload an audio file to change the voice, or record the changed voice. By adjusting the sound input device in other software, you can even engage in conversations with others using Alastor's voice. SoundBot boasts an extensive library of over 250 voices, including iconic characters like SpongeBob SquarePants, Eric Cartman, Minions, and many more. That's today's video. Don't forget to follow and give us a like.